Hi, this is V.Z Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check Windows version on laptop or PC before we get started. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Now, I will share two ways to check the Windows version. We can start with the first one. First, we can click Start button and after that, click Settings. And then you can choose System. Please scroll your mouse down, and we will find About option. And here we will find the Windows version we are looking for. Here we can see that my laptop is in the Windows 11 version. Now let's use the second method. I think the second method is simpler than the first method. The second way we can use the keyboard on the laptop. On the keyboard, please press the Windows key plus R. After a pop-up appears at the bottom of the laptop, we can find WinVer options. If you don't find WinVer options, you can type WinVer in the search field, and after that you can click Enter or click OK. Now we can also see the Windows version on our laptop. Looks like my laptop is on Windows 11. So now, you can check the Windows version on your laptop. You can choose from any of the methods I've shared earlier. So, good luck and see you in the next video.